Do you know why many people don't do any work on their estate planning? This is something that has puzzled me over the years, but I think I know some of the answers why this is. Hi, I'm Denice Gierach of the Gierach Law Firm, and we work a lot with clients in doing their estate planning and their estate administration and trust administration as well. Our idea is to keep it as simple as possible, but if you don't do the planning, you can't be simple. I had a lady call me even today whose husband had died. It was a second marriage. The decedent, her husband, had done a will back in 1997 before he was married to her. So there were no other wills after that, and everything was in his name. What a mess. Now she has to share with the first daughter, the daughter of the first marriage, which she didn't expect. But you know, one of the things I hear from my clients is, well, I don't care, I'm going to be dead anyway. Or, oh, it's obvious my wife's going to get everything. Not so obvious. You have to do the work in order to make sure that it's going to go and flow the way you want it to. He had had no contact in that case with that first daughter for 20 years. And yet she's going to share in part of the estate, including being able to go through the things that are in the household. So this was not what he would have had in mind. But I see this kind of thing all the time. So why is it that people don't want to plan? One is they make assumptions, like in this case, that were incorrect. They assume that the wife is going to get everything. They assume that the wife and the kids are going to end up with something. But they don't always assume correctly that the prior family, when we have blended families, are going to end up benefiting from this inadvertently. Another reason is, and I've heard this from several clients, is that they're afraid that if they do their planning, this is going to hasten their demise. And it's surprising that people won't actually say that, but a couple of clients have actually told me that. So I know that this is on someone's mind. But what this does is it gives you protection for the future. All of my clients that have done their wills and trusts, most of them are still alive. So, you know, this is a fallacy that people have and need to get through this in order to have their estate flow just the way they want that to. So I hope that when you are thinking of doing your wills and trusts and your estate planning, especially when you're putting it on for a New Year's resolution, like all people do, that you will pick up the phone and call a qualified estate planning attorney who can set things up and have it flow the way you want. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.